You won't believe what happens if you hold in a sneeze. Holding in a sneeze can be more dangerous than it seems. When you try to suppress the burst of air, the internal pressure in your nose and throat increases significantly. In extreme cases, this can lead to serious injuries, such as ruptured blood vessels or damage to throat tissue. A man in England even ruptured his windpipe by holding in a sneeze. To avoid complications, it's better to let the sneeze out naturally while covering your mouth and nose to prevent spreading germs. Did you find this tip helpful? Share it with a friend and leave a like for more facts like this.